Today I'm going to reveal to you 3 unsaturated winning products that you can sell today and get a lot of sales on Shopify. Let's go. Hey guys, my name's Ricky Hayes. It's a pleasure to have you on the channel. Before we get into it, if you do like today's video, please subscribe, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, ask down below. The slides for today for these winning products will be in the description as well. Let's get into it. Product number 1 is the swimming resistance band. Okay, this is a fantastic product. Let's just jump onto Facebook and have a look at it. Okay, so this is a fantastic product that allows people, especially with shorter pools, that want to do a good swim, good workout, because swimming is great for workouts, of course. Allows you to attach it to a side of a pool easily. And obviously coming into United States, being summer right now in the United States, perfect time of the year. Okay, so I picture a lot of parents and mothers, and that'll buy it for their kids. But obviously, men and women will buy it for themselves because they have a pool, a local pool, and it's great for all of that. Okay, so I've also got the store links. So here it is here. Not the best product page, I'll be honest. It's not bad. Obviously, it's just a drop shipping store, but it has good margins. Good margins as a whole. I would sort of model what they're doing, but again, I personally would recommend Debeautify. This just doesn't look that good, especially with their logo personally. But you can see on AliExpress here, it doesn't have many sales. This is this supplier. Now there might be others I've overlooked, but you can see it's ranging from about the $5 to about $14 range, excluding shipping, and it does ship from United States. Okay, so I recommend contacting them to verify that they do actually ship it from there. A lot of suppliers on AliExpress now say that, but they don't actually do it. So just keep that in mind. Very important that you do that. You just don't want to be caught out because then you're going to have a logistical pain nightmare. So I've added all the links here. These slides again are in the description down below. They're yours. Okay. And you've also got the video link as well, and also a YouTube link, which is a review. I add those in so you can have a look and use that for your creative purposes, okay, to make creatives. Now, if you want to know how to make creatives, I have videos in that my channel, a few videos back. Check it out. It'll teach you how to do it. So the price is $39.99. I put the cost about $12, and so about a $25-$30 margin, which is nice. You need to aim for at least a $15 margin, preferably on Facebook, especially for drop shipping products at scale. And I just put a little reason there as well. If you want to sell it, it's a very seasonal item, I suspect, especially obviously swimming, cold. Not many people have indoor warm pools and stuff. So just keep that in mind, and then you'll be fine. So that's product number 1. Let's now move into product number 2. Product number 2 is a dog raincoat. Again, you got all the links here, and we're going to go through it. Okay, so starting out with this, this is a beautiful, beautiful item. As a dog lover myself, I must admit, I just love it. I love my dog very much. And as a dog lover, I see this, and we're in winter right now. It's been raining and stuff. It is the perfect time of year to try and sell this item. Okay, it is an item that is flexible around dogs. The only problem you're going to have is with the varying sizes. So just keep that in mind, okay? Because obviously a lot of dogs come in a lot of shapes and sizes. Because of the type of item it is, it's pretty flexible, but obviously you're going to have small, medium, large sizes. So just keep that in mind for sure with this item. But it is perfect, target towards men and women. I suspect it's mainly going to be women. Again, most of the time it does tend to be women that will buy this more. I would target this to countries that are in their winter seasons. As opposed to summer, of course, it's more a winter item. So here in Australia, I would target it now in a number of months. You might want to target it to America. Q4, America, and this item work quite well because it's not just about rain, it's also keeping them warm, reducing hypothermia, and keeping your dog safe, which as a dog lover myself is a very important thing, and many people agree with that. Obviously, that's why people are so passionate about their pets. So this is the store here. You can see they've got different colors, okay, and they've got different sizes, okay, so exactly as I thought. And then they have the recart, they have urgency, they have their video, and they've done some good work with the description. You can see it's just drop shipped, and that they're they'll be definitely getting some sales from this, and it's a great item as well. Really easy to ship. I like these types of items, and you've even got different variants like that, where I love the ones that are easy to ship because it's not fragile, it's very self-explanatory, the sizing is good, the margins are good as well. So that's really important to keep that in mind with this type of product. So it's definitely a product that I would sell to a very passionate niche, to people that love dogs, dog shows, dog magazines or pet magazines, Discovery Channel, documentaries around animals, people like David Attenborough, for example, are animal lovers. I know I watch them and I'm an animal lover myself. Okay, and here's just the product on AliExpress. And again, there's a video. You've got your small, medium, large, and ranging from $4 all the way up $4 to $5. So very cheap with very good margins. So you can sell $5 plus shipping. Okay, so $10, you sell it for $30, $40, you make a good profit. Again, always aim at least a $20 margin, preferably, especially starting out if you're on a thinner margin, profit margin, and you are, a bit more conservative with your spend. Okay, so all of these items are fantastic, and I definitely think this is a fantastic item that I would, again, be a more seasonal item. So just keep that in mind. Don't just think you can market it in the United States and it would do well. It's highly unlikely to do well right now. In a number of months, it would. I would market this to Australia and New Zealand, for instance, right now, or any other country that has good GDP that is in a winter cold season. Okay, so that's product number 2, as I said, so about a $20 margin, and I've just added a quick reason. Let's move now on to product number 3. Product number 3 is this Smile LED Light Kids Soft Base Slipper. It's a bit of a mouthful, that one, but I've again added all the links there. Now let's have a look at the actual product, what you're all sort of after. Okay, so you can see that they've just made a slideshow video, but I really like this. Okay, it's more aimed at kids, but I reckon that adults would also buy this. It's just a funny item. It's more aimed at kids, of course, because parents will buy it for their kids and grandparents. So it's a gorgeous item, especially around Christmas. Okay, this is going to really do well, I suspect, around Christmas. It's all, happy, chirpy times, and parents will just buy this for their kids, sons and daughters. It is just an adorable item. Okay, so I really like it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's not really a need item. It's just more a really passion item. And so I would target this to mothers, people into child magazines, parenting magazines, TV, kids TV shows, kids movies, to name a few, is generally what I do. Okay, so just keep it broad. As I said, I go very broad audiences. Facebook does an amazing job. Okay, so Facebook does an absolutely amazing job. Let's have a look at the store. We can see that they're selling for $29.90. Now it is costing about $11. So again, you have about that $20 margin, which is what you want, and then you want to try and sell it as an upsell. Funnily enough, they're using Day Beautify. There we go. So if we see that they've got a good theme, there you go. And they're trying to do upsells and that, of course, as well, which is definitely what you should be doing to try and increase your margins another 5, 10, 20%, and then you can scale a lot more confidently. Okay, now this is a nice store, of course, and they've got a good description in that too. So just be mindful that with the sizing, that's going to be your main problem with this product. But again, this is an item that is not seasonal, it's just universal. I would market this to the top 5. And I suspect it would do well in all of them, because parents are just very passionate about their kids, and so of course they're going to want to buy this, and at night time see them walking around, the kids are going to have a blast. Just everyone all around is going to have a lot of fun, and parents will take recordings and that, upload it on Instagram. It's just one of those ones that has a lot of passion and enjoyment just from such a simple little invention like this. Okay, so we can see that it costs, as I said here, about $8 to $10, and you've got different design patterns. And just the sizing. Okay, that's the main thing you have to be aware of, the sizing. This is American sizing, so just make sure that you understand sizing, because these types of things, if you don't know sizing well, then you can get a lot of returns. So I always like to side on the side of caution with that, because people will want to return if it doesn't fit their son or daughter as well. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But that's pretty much product number 3. I would just market it as just an item that's going to bring a lot of joy into someone's life, because it's not a necessity, it's just an item that's going to bring a lot of joy. That's how I would market it to people. Again, if you want to know how to make those types of videos, I've got plenty in my channel. Just go and check them out, okay, and it'll teach you how to do that. So that's product number 3. And that's it from today's video. But before we did finish, I wanted to run a sale, okay? 50% off sale off all my premium courses and Day Beautify. Okay, I really wanted to run this. I haven't done a sale in a while, and I really wanted to get people excited. So for the next 24 hours, you can use the code LIMITED50 for 50% off all my courses, okay, or Day Beautify. All right, you just use that at checkout, and then you can get that 50% off. So on Day Beautify, that's any paid plan, and obviously any of my courses 50% off, and their lifetime access. Okay, so all my courses there, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, and then my Ecom Lifestyle University, which is all my courses in one. They all come with mentoring, they all come with updates, and they all come with support if you have questions. Okay guys, and then obviously Day Beautify, all tiers as well. Massive discount, so be sure to take advantage of it. This is only for 50 people only. So 50 people for my course, 50 people for Day Beautify. So don't miss out. I would definitely suggest locking this in. If you already are on Day Beautify, contact support and mention that to them as well. But that code will only last for 50 people, so don't miss out. I would take the opportunity now. You can go to ecomlifestyleuniversity.teachable.com to get any one of your courses there. You can use that code multiple times. It lasts 50 times. So if you want to buy all of them, you can. It's going to allow you to do that for Day Beautify. Obviously, it's just a subscription model. So be sure to take advantage of this. I wouldn't miss out. I don't do sales very often. Okay, I'm very proud of my courses. They get people fantastic results because I teach the proper way of how to do marketing. Okay, marketing is a skill. It is something that takes time, and with all the resources I have there, it really is going to cut the amount of time and effort you need, and really allow you to actually just focus on getting a product out there and start building your business properly or scaling your business further. Absolutely fantastic courses that I'm sure you're going to absolutely love. So don't miss out. Lock those in now. The links are also in the description. Again, this is also in the actual slides as well. So you can click that, get those discounts now, lock them in there, yours for life. Now, with the Day Beautify one, that 50% code is for 3 months as well. So aside from that, that's pretty much my sale, guys. Go ahead, enjoy. Links down below. Go nuts. Okay, thank you. And that concludes today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please support my channel by liking today's video, subscribing and commenting down below. If you have any questions, requests, or anything else in between, be sure to get the slides down below and lock in all of those amazing discounts. Okay guys, you don't want to miss out on these awesome discounts. I hope you really did enjoy that, and I hope that these products help you a great deal. Okay, you know, I spend a lot of time to try and find these products and get you the links to really try and help you with all of that as well. Now, a few people have been asking me about mentoring. At this point in time, I don't really have much time for a lot of one-on-one mentoring, aside from in my Facebook groups. Okay, in terms of my courses and the Day Beautify Top Plan, you get my mentoring, but in terms of one-on-one mentoring, I don't have a huge amount of time for that. So I just prefer the Facebook group mentoring with my course and stuff. It does extremely well. So if you are after that, then check that out. Okay guys, I've sorry that I haven't been able to make videos. I can only probably make them every 3 to 4 weeks at the moment. Just been so busy. I've just moved into this place. It's significantly larger than my unit, which I'm just renting out, and I rent this place. So I'm very happy with this, and I've just been very focused on my companies and growing them, and I want to grow more companies. I just absolutely love doing it. All the challenges, all the highs, all the lows. Okay, that's life, and that's the thing that, you know, as an entrepreneur, that you should all tackle. And I encourage you all, you know, the best part about building a company is not necessarily the money you make from it. It's the reward from the challenge of overcoming that challenge, and it just becomes a part of daily life. Okay guys, so I want you all to work as hard as you can. You know, like, don't just think this is an easy get rich quick scheme. I know that e-commerce has changed just in the last 3-4 months due to the pandemic, so there is a lot of opportunity, but there's also a lot more competition. Always treat it as a long-term business. I'm never going to say that this is ever get rich quick. There's no such thing. Please be very mindful of the amount of misleading content out there. Treat business very, very, very sensitively. You know, treat it properly and with a level head. Don't think this is easy. Even with these winning products, you have to know how to market them. So I recommend going to watch some of my videos in my channel if you don't have my course, but in my course I go even more in depth to teach you how to do that, because marketing is the #1 skill you need to build a business, and everything else just comes after the fact. Okay, and I've just learned that the hard way myself. You may not believe me, but that is the truth. Okay guys, but anyway, that's it from today's video. Be sure to get those bonuses. Look in the description down below for more information. I hope you all have a lovely day. I hope you take care, and goodbye.